In this video, I will show you how to make your Facebook account private. Tap the menu icon in the top right corner on Android. Scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy. Then select Settings. In the Settings menu, tap Privacy Checkup. Here, tap Who can see what you share and review your privacy settings. You can choose who can see your posts, stories, friends list, and personal information. For better privacy, select Friends instead of Public, wherever possible. Next, go back and tap How people can find you on Facebook. Here, you can limit who can send you friend requests, who can look you up using your email address or phone number, and whether search engines can link to your profile. You can also review additional privacy settings to control your activity and information on Facebook. Once you've updated your preferences, exit the Settings menu. Your Facebook account will now be more private and secure. That's it. You've successfully made your Facebook account private. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.